Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you Apple Watch Series 10 42mm versus 46mm. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. These are the watch models as you can see. This is the 42mm and this is the 46mm as you can see. The 42mm is smaller and cheaper and the 46mm is bigger and better. The 42mm Apple Watch Series 10 is lighter, cheaper and less bulky than its larger counterpart, but you will miss out on more expensive display. The larger 46mm option is more expensive than the 42mm, but you will get a much larger display that's easy to read and easy to type on. The 42mm is for smaller, lighter and cheaper, and the 46mm is much bigger display, easier to read and easier to type on. And these are the against on 42mm is display size and harder to type on. And these are the against on 46mm is heavier, bulkier and more expensive. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.